All right, y'all. Hope everyone's having a good one. We're off to a new full trading week. Beginning of Q2, you could say earnings season starting to ramp up, I'll say. So what we got on the table tonight? So we got a hard sell-off Friday, right? Everybody felt that $7 drop or 10. Yeah, it was like $7 or $8. Um, Overall, the market does look slight bearish. I'm not gonna say we um we looked too bullish. It looks like bearish on everything, the RSI and the MAC. Everything looks heavy. So if that MAC gets to the negative side, if the MACD crosses over to this negative side, we got some issues. I think we're gonna go like low, like even to down here. So we got to pay attention to this 50. This 50 right here, we got to really, really watch it. So I was saying on Friday on SPY, we want to watch 510. I was like, 510 is going to be a key level that we're going to be watching tomorrow. If it doesn't hold 510, I don't think SPY is going to do it. I think SPY is just going to probably go low, much lower. So we're gonna watch 510. Now, for us to go higher, I think we have to crack at least 513. I'm just saying it off the top of my head. Let me see how it looks over here. 513. Around here. So yeah, I would like to see at least the high numbers around 513, like 513.70. And then I'll be like, all right, the market might be picking up, but those are gonna be my two areas for sure. That 513.70 area, and to see what happens around 510 again tomorrow. So just be careful, guys, because shit is looking like a downtrend, if you ask me. We got this double top right here that not even, it's triple top. This is a classic triple. One, two, three. So it's a triple top that could be igniting a sell cycle. I'm not saying it's an aggressive sell cycle, but it could potentially go at least no, yeah, 502, 503, 505 will be my first low point. Then once we get to 505, I'll start looking at numbers below. But yeah, 505 could definitely hit this week if the market just tends to digest this war stuff negative, and we got data too. We got data. I'll talk about that. I'll pull up the calendar after I'm done with Qs. All right, gang. So yeah, look heavy. Like we look heavy. As you guys can see here, we look heavy. So be cautious. Now the Qs, the level that I'm gonna watch on the Qs for the shorts, it's most likely gonna be that 437 area. I think that 437 is a good area to watch. It sweeps that low, it's gonna probably touch 435. So a little $2 drop, then it could respect the 50 and bounce. I hope it does, because that'll be great, because around the 50, as you can see, that's definitely a demand area for the Qs. They buy it up quick actually around there. There's a lot of liquidity wicks around there that they buy it up. So if it does respect it, just try to get in on that bounce if you see the trend. But definitely watch that for the shorts to leak, and then for longs, I would wait patiently around 440. Let me see. Mm, I'll probably do 440. It has to be the break of these two right here, these strong rejection. 'Cause this is a big rejection area for me. Happened to more than 3 times they rejected there. So I will pay attention around 442.90 to go try to go long on the Qs. Now, the Qs look slightly stronger, in my opinion, than SPY, because as you can see, Qs looks like it's still in a little channel. It's like, it's bouncing up and down, not crazy structure breaking here. SPY got a little bit of structure break because right here was a nice support that ended up breaking, and it went down more. So it went to the downside. So this SPY to me looks weaker than the Qs, and it makes sense because the chips are the winner, right? So far the year. So if anything, I would watch. I think, in my opinion, we should watch the Qs to see if it's gonna tell the story, if SPY's gonna bounce or not. Because overall, the Qs look slightly stronger and more of a chance to bounce. So that's why I'll go. I'll watch the Qs tomorrow instead of SPY to give me a some type of conviction that we could turn. But just be careful for the Bears, y'all. So we got some data, right? Let's talk about what's gonna happen tomorrow. We got Monday. Um, we got retail. Okay, some retail numbers is gonna definitely ignite. Macy's, Nike, Foot Locker, Gap, any retail related names. Probably watch if they make a crazy move pre-market. The market sold off nasty. So if the number is positive, in my opinion, it should pick up retail. So that'll be something to watch in the morning. Real estate. No, not real estate, retail sales, retail, everything retail, business inventories, housing market index. Okay, so 10 a.m. and 8:30 looks like the ones we're gonna have to be paying attention to. All right, so I usually don't take a trade till about 10, so I'm gonna let all this digest in the market and then jump in something after 10 a.m. All right, gang. Um, let's talk about some names, right? AMD first, and NVIDIA. AMD, disappointed AMD. Got me last week for money. I mean, I should have known. AMD still looks like it's gonna drop some more. Yeah, nothing looks strong about AMD. Uh, this is an easy put entry, but I believe on the 161. I watched the shorts. Oh yeah. Let me see how this looks. Yeah, if that help cracks, it should go at least to 158.60 area. So heavy on AMD, guys. NVIDIA don't look that bad. NVIDIA might make this higher pivot build. And the reason I'm saying that is because we're holding above the 9 and 21. So if this holds, we could flag up and rip, hopefully. So yeah, it still looks, you just gotta wait. You gotta wait till the motion and the price action goes to the upside. But the MACD is 10 change, so the bears are getting weaker. This don't look that friendly, but it could easily be a inverse head and shoulder. Not the prettiest, but could be. And if NVIDIA does hold this, this is the demand area. Look, this is where NVIDIA likes to bounce. So we got like 4 or 5 bounces just in between here. And over here it's held in two. And if it builds it and it mimics this type of hold, then we should definitely go up. So NVIDIA is the winner between AMD. So one looks okay, the other one does not. The other one looks like it's ready to tank some more, which is NVIDIA. Sorry, Apple, Microsoft, AM2, back to, wow, Apple. Okay. So after 2 strong days like that, you have to wait, in my opinion, for some type of pullback on Apple. And that was a, wow, very high volume on Friday. So it actually worked here and it makes sense because there is rejection going on there. So I'll see how Apple reacts around 175.03 area, around there. See if it holds and tries to bounce up on that pullback. But Apple looks strong in my opinion. Microsoft, not too strong. It looks heavy. Everything looks heavy, 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 huh? So it's a lot of bounce though in this area. It's a lot of bounce. So you would have to wait for this. Let's see where this worked out. What's this? 419 compared to 417. It's $2. Okay. Can't go long on this. It looks too heavy. You gotta watch around here. 1765. I think is a good area to watch. Yeah, if this happens, we're going down here or maybe right here where the Bollinger is, which is 414. We look heavy on everything. This is like quadruple top because one, two, three, four, yeah. So everything's heavy. So Apple changing character, still bullish in my opinion. So this, I got a few puts and a few calls. I don't have a lot of names though, because the market sold off so bad. And then once I seen this war news, I was like, I'm gonna just keep it simple and see what happens tomorrow in the morning when I wake up. If anything, I'll add names. Netflix, right? Netflix. What's the next one? Google. We could do Google, then Amazon. So Netflix, same thing. Triple. After the double top, another rejection happened, which was lower, the rejection, mind you. So Netflix is easy short, in my opinion, under 616.50. I would definitely watch Netflix under 616.50. Okay. Super. I don't think I'm gonna get it right there. So let me just input it. No, 60.50. All right. 616, not 17. There we go. All right, that's right below the 21. That should give him room at least to drop to almost a $5 drop, if you ask me. So Bears look heavy on Netflix. They do have ER this week. Yep. So keep that in mind if you do take it. Google, it's time to short too. Google looks like a short op. Hell yeah. Google looks like it's gonna dump as soon as it goes under, what's this level? 156.5. So I like Google puts under 156.5. Heavy on Google. Okay, so there you go. Tesla and Amazon, right? Yeah, because we did Microsoft. And then I'm gonna do Meta and then we're done. Um, Tesla, I see that it's trying to hold this 171 area, which is good to be honest. That's a good demand area. It is above the RSI still. It could definitely try to bounce and double bottom. Hmm. Tesla. Okay. I like Tesla upside. Yeah, I'm not. It doesn't look that bearish. Um, we got one, two, three. If it holds this little, what is this? 171, 172. If it holds this price level and doesn't go lower, we should go higher, in my opinion. So I'm gonna keep this alert here, yeah, because Tesla don't look bad at all, in my opinion. And it looks like this Mac wants to finally cross, not finally, but it's trying to slowly go back to the positive. So yeah, I'm not a full bear on it. I'm bullish on Tesla. Amazon looks heavy. Um, it's already almost, yeah, it already crossed. It literally crossed already. So that's bearish. I'll watch right here for the shorts on Amazon. I'll talk about 184.30, I'll say. and Meta, and that's it. Yep, higher low double bottom. I mean, higher low double lower high. Sorry, no, I'm bugging out. Lower high double top right here. That's what I meant to say. This is the first rejection for the double top, and this is the second. So it's a lower high. So that's a pattern saying that we could definitely go down on Meta. So the only thing is you won't have a lot of, let me see, on 509, you could take it to a little $3 to $4 move possibly. Got to be very careful once it gets here though, because here it will definitely want to bounce because that's where the 9 is. So, but I'm bearish, so I'll watch this 50. Yeah, no, yeah, I like this area. I'll watch this area. Matter of fact, let me just move this one. Make my life easier. Um, So watch that short, but just be careful around that price level of 506. All right. Because it could definitely 506.30, it could definitely try to wick up, liquidity grab, and swipe as soon as it touches swipe up. All right. Next. Oh no, that's it. We done. All right. All right. So what we got on the list? We got, let's see why. See how lows look. So this looks heavy. Day 3 red. Could still get one more day red. So lows could definitely something to watch around here, in my opinion. For shorts, there's no uptrend on the MAC or RSI, so that's what I was saying. We could drop one more day and then potential reversal, or it could probably. I wouldn't swing it. I would day trade it. It might reverse midday, but it's heavy. It doesn't look like it's gonna reverse just yet. LVS. Let's see how LVS looks on the chart. Let's see how Kava looks as well. LVS 1, 2, 3 days red, and we're just getting to a demand area on Friday. So this is the third. 1, 2, 3. Still go down more though, because Friday was the first flash on the MAC red. Oh shoot! So we gotta wait till we see LVS around here to decide if we want to try to take the reversal or the short. So I'll put it around here for you guys. I'm putting 90, 49.90. But it looks a little bearish just because that's the first like flash on the Mac. So usually when that happens, it's followed by another red day, as you can see here. It's the first red here, another red one. So even here, it wasn't a big red one, but it was red and followed another one. So over here too, followed by another red one over here too. So keep that in mind. But definitely try to come down a little more, but it's in a buy area, a strong one too. It's not a weak area. So just be cautious on that if you take that short. Kava might want to, if it holds, we could possibly have an ugly little flag build if we hold up here on Kava. I like Kava for upside. It's not that bad. And if we pivot here, it's an inverse head and shoulder if we do pivot here. So I will watch, I'm gonna just watch Kava at the highs around here. So it's still 75 cents, 60, 75. And analysts are bullish on this ticker. So like a baby CMG. All right. Let's see how UUU looks. Uranium was moving last week. It wasn't a bad one to play, in my opinion. I know Nami got in it. Silver. Let's talk about silver. So you don't look bad. We got a green candle off of the 50, which is a nice hold. The wick was off the 50. The opening is holding against the 9, so that's good. So yeah, we can watch you tomorrow. Everything looks good. Yeah, I'm on Zoom, Cam. All right, I'm on Zoom. Cam, I'm on Zoom. Cameron, go take that back. I'm on Zoom. Take that back. All right. All right, Cam. Silver. So let's watch you. Sorry about that. Let's watch. It's not even the one I hold on. It's quadruple you. I was looking at the wrong one. Yeah, my bad. For you. All right. I had three U's. The three U's look bullish. The four U's don't look that bullish. This is almost a bearish engulfing. So yeah, yeah, definitely. No calls on this. Gotta go short, man. So we gotta watch it around here. $6 puts they got, so too if you want to catch that, but doesn't look strong. I was looking at the wrong one, my bad. Silver, I'm bearish on silver too, because it almost looks like a bearish engulfing as well. Only thing that's canceling it out slightly is this wick. So I would short it as soon as we cross 25.40. 25 puts, in my opinion. You might want to go short gold too if silver drops. Because gold definitely got clipped on Friday hard. So American Express, let's see how this looks. American Express reminds me of AMD. So bear flag, downside, crazy. Yeah, once this RSI breaks this pivot area recent, it's gonna dump harder, bro. And this looks like it's ready to, yep, it's so extended to the downside. Watch American Express around here to see what happens tomorrow, but 3 ugly green days that couldn't do nothing on AXP, so definitely watch the shorts here, guys. Verizon, let's see what Verizon look like. BLDR, builder source, first builder source, or builder's first source. There you go, builder's first source, sorry. All right, Verizon. Oh my God, Verizon. Jesus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 consecutive red days leaked to drop it to
Mm-mm-mm.
demand area, right?
Event Horizon.
It could still leak at least to here, y'all. So I'm gonna put my alert here because I want to see how price is gonna react here. Because this would be the crazy reversal to hold for a swing, in my opinion. So let's do 45. See if that hits. But yeah, this thing's gotta have one green day, and this is usually where it gets a green day around here. So their earnings is when? Oh, next Monday. Okay. Yeah, we could definitely see some reverse time happen on Verizon, guys. BLDR. Uh, damn BLDR. 3 days and you look like you didn't move nowhere. Y'all stood in the same price range. It is pivoting here like that. Don't like the MAC to be honest. Uh, it's holding. It's getting snuffed under on the 189.70 is a tough level, huh? So I'm need to see if we could crack that. So at least 119. I mean 119, 190.20. So our watch bear looks slightly bullish. They don't look that weak to me. They already got smacked down enough. So yeah, we'll go watch this one. This is one of the bullish plays I got. What else we got? Ooh, RTX, because remember the Israel and Middle East beef. So let's talk about these two, see how it looks on the daily. We got LMT. Now I got two more after these, and that's it, gang. Not a big list. All right, so they look heavy, both across the board. None look strong. Um, Bearish engulfing RTX, and that's a big red. That's triple, actually. I was gonna say double, but that's triple. One, two, three. So yeah, these look heavy, guys. Gotta be, yeah, hell yeah. Um, Puts I would watch under 448.90. Like a hangman candle almost up there. And this bearish engulfing will have to obviously break 99.40 in my opinion for puts. 99.40. Right. What the hell did I just do? Hold on, my bad. I was supposed to just remove the drawings. There we go. All right, so last two is UPS and MPW. Okay, so UPS, one bounce, two bounce, potential three bounce. We gotta watch what happens around here for UPS. I'm hoping is not gonna dump more. I'd rather catch the reversal into earnings possibly. So UPS basically needs to hold that level. If it breaks 143.95, next is gonna be 143.15, and then that's it. If it loses 143.15, it should definitely go down to 141.80. And from there, it's probably gonna leak straight down to oof, probably 139.80 area. So watch UPS. Hopefully it does reverse. Because it's been on a downtrend since the 4th of April. So MPW, let me see. It has to reclaim that. It's the little golden cross with the 59.21. So I'm gonna watch it about here if it reclaims. I don't think it's gonna go lower. 420, let's do that. 420 around the corner.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think it's gonna go any lower though. Let me see this. Oof, okay. Yeah. I'm just trying to reflect the after hours. Let me see if it's still up. Uh, Okay, MPW is at $4.47. So let's do 25. The saying is at $4.47. So let's see. Damn, damn, it ripped already. Okay. Let's see if it holds. Let's see if it holds. Let's do 440. See if it holds. Let's see if it's real. But it looks like it's holding the gap. the gap fill and wants to build higher. So small cap play, of course. So let's see. Let's see if it wants to get comfortable around. Maybe wants to retest the fives or high $4 area mark, but let's see what happens because this after hour moves could be bogus and tomorrow the shit could be red as hell. So let's just see what happens tomorrow. That's it, y'all. I don't got nothing else. Oh, let me know if y'all want me to pull one up or a few up for it.
Yeah, man. Looking for Mickey D's for a swing and then JP Morgan downside continuation tomorrow. I know Seifer is gonna wreck JP Morgan tomorrow. He's gonna fuck him up.
Oh yeah, wow. They got obliterated on Friday. Mm-hmm. Nasty, wow.
Volume too. Look how it closed.
That's in volume, yeah.
Have a wick. If you pull Mickey D's out too, it's bouncing at an area. You probably pull that 3 month chart out. You're probably like, oh yeah, seeing it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's on a pivot too.
Double bottom possibly building.
That RSI looks so crazy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Mickey D's looks good. I mean, I like Kava upside, so Mickey D's could go upside. So those two look good. Banks is starting the ER2 this week.
Yeah,
On Friday, really, but more coming this week.
yeah, we got GS and Schwab on deck and a couple smaller caps, but GS and Schwab are the main flush Sunday morning,
All
tomorrow
right.
morning.
All right, so this you got a bull call and a put call. All right. All right, that's it. No one else, not just Nami.
Oh, QCOM for 400, Alex.
You come for 400, Alex.
What is QCOM?
Just
Everything looks heavy, huh, Cam?
everything, bro.
Oil, gold.
Almost everything.
Only thing that doesn't look is the dollar. The dollar looks good.
Yeah, yeah. The top, of course. Yeah, QCOM looks heavy too. Clap, clap. I don't know if that's where you going,
Uh, I'm
but
thinking she sold right to demand. I was looking at Bitcoin too. They bought that shit up over the weekend, that Iran news. So I'm
mhm.
looking at like Mara as well on QCOM to bounce back
So you think
potentially.
okay. All
I
right.
think she'll fill that pattern up to maybe 175 max.
Triple top. So 1, 2, 3, yeah. Yeah, it just gotta it can't go under the 21, bro. It gotta hold
Yeah,
170.
that volume profile. Of course, it catches right there. Of
Yep, yep,
course.
yep. It has to. 170 is a big.
Mortal Kombat boss right there.
I see what you're thinking. All right, let's see. That's the only one?
Oh, and just Mara.
Marvelous.
Everything's literally at the bottom. So it's either the Bitcoin revival or goodbye.
Hey, Clap, check out like Coin and MSTR, I think, for Bitcoin. I was talking to these guys. I don't know if you heard me, but Bitcoin's going through a halving event. I'm thinking they're using a lot of fucking and a lot of oil to fucking paying a lot of money on this fucking electricity for not as much Bitcoin payout.
Mm,
Because
Hmm.
a halving event, what they do is you use the same amount of fucking computer resources, but you get half the Bitcoin because there's only so much amount, right? And eventually it'll run out. Eventually these companies are gonna go bankrupt
Yeah.
because like
Um,
any Bitcoin
mhm.
anymore, right? The way the code is set. So I like coin and
Always designed, yeah.
so if you want to play Bitcoin, like obviously BitO, you know that, but like coin and MSTR seem to react a lot better with Bitcoin and crypto than the miners. The miners have been needing shit forever.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's true. It was 60K for like 2 days, bro, and then now it's 65 plus. They bought that, they ate it right up, bro.
Yep.
Bitcoin.
Yep.
So
Yeah, they're in demand. I agree with you on that. Like Riot, all these things, but they've been getting their fucking asses kicked. I don't know.
mhm.
Like we're going to 70,000, we're going to all-time highs, and these things are like chopping at lows.
Yeah, that was mind-boggling to me too, bro.
It'll be like third tier watch list, not first tier for the Mara Riot. I guess Coinbase would be second tier in that regard.
Yeah, I think coin because they make money off of it, all traders and shit. So pull up a coin chart, Cam, if you could, real quick, when you're done with
Oh
Qualcomm.
yeah, coins. Just the coin.
Coin?
Yeah, coin for 500.
Mhm.
Oh, it hasn't got beat down as much, huh?
So yeah, pull up both of them, MSCR and coin. Very similar, very similar.
Interesting.
Yeah, they both ripping and staying up here, basically. But it looks like it's gonna, looks like it's just sell tomorrow, bro.
It's at the critical area.
Yeah, it's out of critical area. But it's gonna be interesting around two. It's gonna be interesting around 238.
Mm-hmm.
238 in my opinion. Let's see. I'm ready. Tomorrow's gonna be interesting. Can't wait to see what happens with this market and all the things,
Oh,
everything in the weekend and Friday. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. All right, the gang, that's it.
yes, sir.
All
Mhm. Thank
right,
you.
say less, man. No problems, man. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'll hit y'all up on if I get on the dark side.
Michelle D.
All right.
I'll be on tomorrow morning with you, bro. I'll probably start trading after 10 as well, so I'll probably arrive at the desk at 10.
Say no more, my brother. All right.
I should have had a reset, bro, and I would have top ticked ES at that fucking 495.
Today? Tonight?
Yeah, I was supposed to reset on yesterday, but they didn't reset my shit, and I acted a little chat bot, and the chat bot said that they're acting with that.
All right.
But hopefully I'll be with
Hey, cost you a win.
All right. Best. Say less. I'll tell you too.
Yo.
Yeah.
G.
you.